He's like, this is comedy.
Shut up, Brian.
Not us. We're not the one videotaping.
I am.
Taping.
You don't think we're gonna miss this, do you?
That's the only reason those two came back. I don't know if that's gonna work.
Hey, we got you someone to pull you out, okay?
So we still going to the falls?
I'm down.
All right. Hell no.
Of course you've got money or beer, right? Of course you got money or beer, right?
You're gonna have to back out slow so we can make sure it tightens up.
Before we hook up, you do have money or beer, right?
What was that?
I said you do have money or beer, right? I didn't hear no answers.
We don't have an answer.
Is there any way you can hook the hook onto?
Probably right here. Yes.
How about where the chain, your safety chains go through?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Is it thick enough?
Yeah, that's good right there.
That's good.
In the event that a bumper pole falls off, a fender, a tire, it's not my responsibility.
Is that good for you, Josh?
I want you to put it in reverse and help me, but don't give it a lot of gas.
Instead of going through that again and getting stuck.
That's all your stuff. That's your stuff.
How can we get his car out?
I know, my car gets stuck, I get it out.
You weren't in this.
It was in South Sanford.
Give me an explanation of how come you did that.
Because he was driving, that's why.
Oh, it's his pump.
It really is. I told him to stay right. He went left.
Well, going left is all right, but he needed to give it more gas.
Y'all probably ought to go that way, because if something happens with that cable, it could hurt a lot.
Oh, don't spin the tires so much! More yet, more yet! Don't spin the tires! Quit spinning the tires! Very slow, there you go! Now that I've seen how you drive, turn and go right through here and keep the gas foot on the pedal. You're good at that.
Yeah.
This one's shallower here, not as long going that way. Good job, Bob.
Yeah, well, he's not done yet.
I know he's not out across the creek yet. You guys have to watch for this on YouTube.
Probably hop in your truck so if he gets stuck again, we're not part of it.
What he needs to do is cross right here, get in the sand, and
He's going to have to back up real slow. Go this way. Go that way. And go that way.
yeah, and then when you get in the sand, keep your foot on it, go fast off there and up the hill to the dirt.
Try not to give it too much gas so you're going to be going through some soft sand. And just watch in front of you so you don't get nothing up into your oil pan. Especially right through there. You're going to have to dodge those two rocks right there so you don't get your oil pan.
Yeah, stay in the middle of those two right there.
Yeah. But we'll see what happens. I'll wait around.
Oh, and I gotta take a picture of this truck.
Whoops, I'm sorry. Yeah, to give him more weight in the back anyway. Keep his wheels from spinning and getting stuck.
Tell him to go real slow when he backs up.
Good job, Bob.
Yeah, right on.